you know that with every order, King Art sends you a little surprise? I recently ordered some paint, and this is a free sample. So they sent me a sticker, a King Art sticker. They sent me a little business card that says, "Thank you for your order. As a token of our appreciation, we're excited to offer you free samples of some of our customers' favorite products. Dive in, explore, and let your imagination run wild. No rules, just art." So what I have here, it looks like, I'm going to say it's an alcohol ink marker. It's double-ended. It has the name and the code number on it. So let's take a look. We have a round nib here. Looks like a nice peach color, or what are they calling it? Light almond. And then here is that end, and you can see that it's going to give me a thicker line. And then I have a Pro brush pen. It looks like this is going to be in brown. I don't know. It says coffee. I don't know what this is, if it's watercolor or it can do real fine lines. And then if I push down, I'm going to get a thicker line with it. And then this one is an acrylic brush pen, and it doesn't give me a name, but it looks like red, and there is the brush on that. And oh, it's kind of spongy, so if I can get a lot of detail, and then I can also do some thick and thin with that. I like the feel of this acrylic brush pen. And then the last one I got is this Inkline pen 05, and no name. It looks light blue, and there is the nib on that. And let's, you know, as a graphic designer, this almost reminds me of a photo blue that doesn't photograph. So that's interesting. That's what that color looks like to me. So thank you, King Art, for sending me these 4 samples. And I can see a use for all of them. I think out of all, my favorite is this red acrylic brush pen. I like the feel of that. And I'm wondering what other colors these all come in. So I'll put links down below so you can look if there's any of these that interest you or intrigue you. You can go see what other colors that they might have in their pens.